Let me show you something cool. I built this entire full stack web app, front-end, back-end database with just one framework. It has routing, authentication, database integration, and guess what? I didn't have to set up any of that manually. All this was built using RedwoodJS. Never heard of it? You are about to. RedwoodJS is a full stack JavaScript and TypeScript framework. It's built on top of React, GraphQL, and Prisma. So you're using tool you probably already know. But here's the magic. It ties them together seamlessly with built-in support for routing, auth, API testing, and deployment. Everything you need in one toolkit, right? The RedwoodJS philosophy is all about convention over configuration. That means it makes smart choices for you so you can focus on building instead of configuring. It's opinionated, and that's a good thing, right? Because it means less time on boilerplate and more time shipping. Under the hood, here what Redwood give you: React for your front end, GraphQL for talking to the server, Prisma as your ORM for the database. It supports SQLite and database of your choice. What about dev tooling? You got Yarn, Workspaces, Jest, and Storybook. And the deployment, one-click support with Netlify, Vercel, or AWS. But why use RedwoodJS? Because it saves your time. You don't need to stitch together 5 tools yourself. The project structure is clean. Routing is as simple as writing a line of code. But for solo devs or startup teams, Redwood is a game changer. You create a Redwood app with one command, it spins up the front end and back end instantly. Your route lives in a single file. Your API is a GraphQL by default, and the file structure just makes sense. It's initiative, right? Especially you have worked with React before. So here's the big idea. RedwoodJS let you build full stack app without the full stack headache. You write React and it takes care of the rest, from the API to database to deployment. If you are starting a project, building a side hustle, or just tired of setting up servers, RedwoodJS is your best friend. So if this inspired you, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you are building. I have got more Redwood tutorials coming up, so stay tuned. And hey, the full stack future, it's already here. Bye bye.